Hey guys, it's Eat, Sleep, Dream Bushcraft here. Today we're going to do a little bit of the ice fishing minnow trap style. See, we got the minnow trap, because they're not very big fish in the creek here. See the little hole over there? I got in the ice with my hatchet. We're going to throw this little bugger in there. Hey, get the dog off the munchies. Okay, here. Now we just gotta wait a little while. It's in there down the hole. We put her in there. And we're gonna give it like 20 minutes. Eat, Sleep, Dream Bushcraft.